full-time student in the aesthetics program here at the New Age Spa Institute, and I've been having such a great time learning new things about the skin, especially on the hands-on portion with facials. I've been really enjoying. And I'm really excited to continue to grow my knowledge and to start into the clinical side of the aesthetics program. And so I'm excited to keep learning.
Hey, I'm Lori, I'm a aesthetics student at New Age Spa Institute. And so we just finished a month. And I honestly have to say that the thing that I'm most impressed with that I did not expect was the level of instruction. These teachers are like, they seriously know what they're talking about and are teaching us like the science, the basics in such a detailed way that I didn't expect. So I feel like already I'm just understanding so much more than I thought that I would, especially at this point, a month in. We're doing facials, we're waxing, we're doing body treatments already, but like we understand why. You know, we understand what's happening in the skin and what the different layers are doing and how the products are impacting and things like that. That I just didn't expect to have that much in-depth information, especially not this quickly.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and I'm a part of the full-time aesthetics program at New Age Spa Institute. And so far, I've learned a lot about body wrap treatments, and I've been really excited about learning more about body wrap treatments and all kinds of things like that.
Hi, my name is Rena Yalda. I am a student here at New Age Spa Institute in the aesthetics full-time program. I've gotten to learn more about the high frequency machine and the benefits of it. I get to use it at home, so learning about it and being able to use it on students and clients is really beneficial. I am so super excited to learn more about our clinical side of aesthetics and more of the tools and machines that we get to use. So yeah.